Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to purchase Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to your wallet. All right, let's begin. Start by opening the Cash App and navigating to the home page. Tap on the Bitcoin tab. From there, select Buy. You will be asked to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. For this example, let's go with $100. After entering the amount, confirm the transaction by entering your cash PIN. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin purchase is complete and your balance will update immediately. Now, to send Bitcoin to another wallet, return to the Bitcoin tab and select the Send option. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Tap Send and choose the recipient. You can either enter their cash tag or paste a valid Bitcoin wallet address. Once selected, choose your withdrawal speed. Faster options may cost a higher network fee, while slower options are usually cheaper. Tap Next to continue. Finally, tap Confirm and Send. The Bitcoin will be sent to the selected address. You can view the transaction status from the Activity tab within the app. This method works whether you're sending Bitcoin to another person or transferring it to a private wallet for safekeeping. So that's basically how you can purchase Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to your wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.